So why are expectations as important to economists as dreams were in the ancient and medieval world? The answer is that a wide range of economic decisions is influenced by expectations.
We think about what our wages will be in the future to work out our consumption today. And what Martin's lecture told us is that a lot of these expectations don't provide particularly good forecasts of where inflation will be in the future, where wages will be in the future, where exchange rates will be in the future. And therefore that means, what exactly does it mean when we turn out to be wrong?
Expectations matter, but we don't really understand as much as we'd like to about where they come from or how far they matter.
So we had a look at how the gilt markets price in inflation. We had a look at how foreign exchange markets price in foreign exchange and how the Bank of England looks at it. On most measures you find none of these are very good predictors of where we're going. So even if the experts in the field don't seem to be able to price in where we're heading with inflation, you realise some of the problems we have.
I think the key takeaway is quite simple. We need to convince governments and people that take surveys to take better surveys, because we need to understand these relationships better.
There's a very incomplete view of what economists do, and forecasting is sort of disproportionately represented in that.
And the economy is bound to be more complicated than the weather, so why would you expect forecasts to be particularly accurate?
It's very important for economists to indicate the uncertainty around their projections and, perhaps even more than that, indicate the general framework with which they're produced.